Hi guys, I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia. Let's solve some PT questions now. So let's go to reading fill in the blanks or reading writing fill in the blanks. Let's go to reading. Let's solve some questions now. Let's see how many of you can get a full score with me, okay? Now you can see in the first line, you don't have to read the entire passage, but you can see, if you read, it says, originally a nanny, Muse is now a parenting consultant, advising couples privately on changing their child's behavior, comma. Now, after a comma, if you have a blank, it could be a connecting adverb like while, whereas, or it can also be a verb ending with ing. So let's see when you click, you see the options as long as, in order to, in spite of, and as well as. Now, here there are two things like privately, she is advising people on something and also doing corporate seminars. So, we have to choose the word which is similar to also, and that word most likely should be as well as. So, you can also solve with me, guys, and then we will check our answers and then we will see what score you get. Okay, let's choose this. Let's continue. Her clients find that they are unprepared for the chaos and unpredictability that having a child can entail. Entail means can cause or can have. Parents are getting older, they have been in control, they are dash and become successful. Now, here what I generally recommend is before you click to see the options, think of the option like parents have been in control, they are dash and been successful. So, ideally, it should be something like their entire lives or their whole lives. Let's see the options. So, you see whole lives, all durations, afterlife, and everyday life. Now, the correct phrasal use or the correct collocation is whole lives. So let's go with whole lives. Okay, done. Let's continue. Suddenly a baby turns up and life turns on its head. Nickname the 3-day nanny, dash her pledge to fix some problem. Now here you can have only two options, for her pledge or because of her pledge. Pledge means promise. So let's click on this and let's see. So we can see the options related with, together with, because of, on behalf of. So obviously it should be because of her pledge. So let's choose this option. So because of her pledge, her promise, she has been nicknamed the 3-day nanny. And finally, basically she is filming a new Channel 4 television series demonstrating her techniques. The dash of the parenting consultant, distinct from that of a nanny, has developed. Now, there are four options. The percentage has developed, the performance has developed, the role has developed, or the belief has developed. So, the correct answer, I think, should be the role is distinct. Because of the word distinct, we will go with the role has developed. So, I think once you're done like this, you can just quickly see we have spent about 3.5 minutes now. The timer is on. And finally, I click submit. Now, when I submit, let's see. Yeah. So, our answers are all correct. So yeah, you can also see over here. Yeah, these are the correct answers. So hope you enjoyed it, and we'll be doing one more session and one more class of reading practice very soon, and I'll see you all very soon. If you're looking for PT, IELTS or NATI coaching, make sure you visit our website oneaustraliagroup.com. I'm Malcolm. Thank you. Good luck.